show you Topolino TK100. This is the newest tool in our Topolino collection. Those are the components: reset tool, reset cap, specific openings, and this is the tool. Let's take a closer look. Here you see how complicated the tool is. We have 3 rows of pins. This is the main row with bigger pins. Second row, smaller pins, and again the third row with the same small pins we have. Slider, spare pins are here, and this is the handle. Now I'm gonna briefly show the key. This is the key. What I forgot to mention is the interactive pin that we have. It corresponds to the mobile element on the key, on the patented key profile here. The tool opens TK100 Tesla. So in the next part I'm going to show exactly the movements and the procedure. Okay, reset the tool, slide back, arrow here as usual, and arrow on the reset cap here. It's a smaller key here we use, so I'll start with the main ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 10 in total, 10 in total small ones, and 5 big ones. Always check if all pins are fully reset. There is no manipulation you need to perform on the interactive pin. Button goes towards the blade, and Topolino is ready to be used. This is the code, this is the key. It's fully reset. Insert. Now the first thing I will mention is that the tool is fragile. There is no need to use tension. It has 2 opening procedures that you must follow. Okay, button is slided towards the blade handle. Standard operation is like this, like usual. Tension up, gently left, tension down, left. This way I operate with 1 row of pins. You see, I don't apply any tension whatsoever. At some point I will stop and I will reverse the opening. Now this becomes the tension and this becomes the pumper. So tension, tension, then I continue with the standard procedure. As you can see, again, I emphasize the fact that I'm using almost no force. This is an impressioning method and requires no force whatsoever. The opening takes between like 10 and a minute. Now, button. If I try to pull out the tool, it will give me a hard time. So I start shaking it here. And the moment it goes out a little bit, it's free to be extracted. This is because of the interactive pin. Now, let me show you the code. This is the code. Let's compare it. it's a 100% match. So the most important things are no tension during the operation, follow the exact procedure as you saw it here. I'm gonna make an opening on a second lock just to make sure everything is clear. This is my second lock. Topolino is fully prepared for the operation. Main pins are reset and the small pins are reset. I haven't touched the interactive pin, so slide back. Standard procedure, I start I stop. The additional procedure I do, it's a matter of practice, it's nothing complicated, nothing fancy. That's it. This is all you need to do. Again, no force. It works very smooth, extremely precise, very easy to use. The one mistake you can make is use force. Neutral position, button, you shake it here, now stop shaking and the decoder is out. Cold. TK100, thank you. Okay, in this part we're going to show you how to change a pin. The pins we have removed are a small one and a big one. So you will find those in the back of the tool in a small plastic bag. Inside you will find the big pins, the small ones, and the rubber band, spare rubber band that stays here. You will need sharp, non-magnetic tweezers for this purpose. Don't use your wife's tweezers, it won't work. Okay. In the graph next to the image you see here, you see how you should position the pins in order to make them click. You should move them a couple of times on both sides to make sure they run smoothly. This one is ready. Now this is the big one. Ready. Now here we have prepared this adapter so that you can move the pins. Because if you try to to push them, if the tool is positioned like this and you try to push them down, they will automatically fall. Look at it now, he pushes it and it's out. So this is why we use this adapter. It's not obligatory, but it's something useful. So pins are fully changed and the color is ready to be used again.